Good morning, good morning. It's a Made Easy Monday and I have a beautiful, I love really for all occasions. And card number one, beautiful, beautiful card. So here, and what I love about these kits, so you've got all the laser comes with all the adhesive you need with a block and this ink spot. So you really don't need it. We're going to make these 3 different designs, 9 cards available with a sheet that shows you what they are, but I appreciate you so much. Thinking of options with this set. Out of the way with card number 1 here. Space, and all we're going to do is fold. All right, step number 2 is to grab our piece, which are beautiful. We're going to take our glue dot tool here, so I find it a bit easier to grab them, but you absolutely can use your faster for me. So the kit as well. I just like to pop the backings off, and that way I don't have a little crash at the end and easier than bending over. Just following that down. So easy peasy, right? Mini dimensionals here. Right, our already cut out backings off. I did just see Lori's name come across our banner. So that is so to Stampin' Up, because it's even on here. So we're just gonna add sequin blings. Is done. So, you know, our kit, and I love that because it's great. Sometimes we don't want to think. Sometimes I just want to, one of the tips for cards, I loved it. So she puts just the back half inside the envelope. You never lose the envelope because our envelope goes with which card, and then you're just ready to go. Well, let's move on to fun stamping. And so a little tip, I like to just do it all at once. And this beautiful branches stamp 2 of them. And since to do them all at once, put the kit away. Then I don't want to bring everything out. So I just do all together right now, but I like that in half. Then we're going to grab I love the colors. I love it's beautiful. And then we're going to grab, I'm just going to stamp all 3 since I have it out so much. I appreciate you so much. And I love these stamped as well. So we're just for later. And we're going to love our mini dimensionals, especially on these smaller, if you ever need this off. And so I don't like to bend over the trash, and I don't like all the house. And I'm just peeling all of these off. Make sure this is the right direction. And then we're going to take our, I appreciate not upside down, right? We're going to put it number 2. And now, anytime and when I'm done making all the bling, and I will add some extra. So how easy black inside the envelope to be given. Let me grab, so pretty, it's we're going to do some fun. And again, since we're right here, this is about this size. The kit, if you wanted 2 pieces here, we've got these light. That's all our pieces. So we're going to flip over going to put our glue dots on our flower image. So we're same with there. So we're going to peel the back part off is easier with here. And then so I know my glue's up so that they stick to our green. There we go. And on that side. So now hanging through the back. And you can stick them, hold them to the card and to each other. One more. And we will just peel the back. Just kind of hold as you peel those off. Last one here. Take this. We're going to stick it right. Then we're going to take our, but in making a bunch of these easier. go. We want it a bit long. We're gonna put our mini glue dots again. Our bow, the middle of our thank you. Mini dimensionals right off. And we're gonna stick this right over that. And we'll trim that. And I just stick those right in my little bowl. So now when I envelope, and again, I just love that little, forget which envelope goes with what when you have a bunch. And all of our cards from, and such a fun collection. I think it is colors, and I love that gold one. I'm just looking at this going, you forgot the button tray to add that. Can't see the comments, but I'm sure you're going, now they're complete. Now they're complete. This Garden of Thanks kit. If you have an online store, I absolutely appreciate each of you for watching, liking, subscribing, your support. Have a great Monday, everybody.